In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make this gum paste coin purse. I once made this for the top of a baby shower cake, and I put a strand of pearls along with it. It was the perfect touch for a baby girl. I'm starting with a piece of gum paste that has been rolled out kind of on the thick side. It's about a good 1/4 of an inch thick, and I'm doing that because I want to use one of these textured rolling pins to give the coin purse the look that it's made out of some fabric. So here's a little floral rolling pin that will emboss this print into it, and you just start by pushing one end and going in one direction. And you can see it makes a pretty little pattern. Now I'm going to just use my cutting tool, make this into a rectangle shape. And you can just eyeball this. It just depends on what size you want the coin purse. I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to grab at the bottom and make some little pleats. I forgot to actually curl in the sides first, so we're going to take the sides and just roll them in. Just about 1/8 of an inch on both sides. Okay, then we take a couple of little pleats and give it a little pinch, and we're going to do the same thing at the top on the other side. You just kind of fold it over and make it look like fabric, or not fabric, but like a leather. That's what I want to say. And then we take a crumpled up little napkin or paper towel and put that in there, and here's the part where you just kind of have to play with it. We want to make sure the sides are closed, tucking in the sides, but making sure they're touching. And if you want the purse to prop open more, you could just adjust the tissue. And on the other side, fold in the bottom, close the sides. And once you get it to where you like it, you set it aside to dry. The coin purse is dried. I'm just going to dust it with a little of this Wilton Sparkle Dust. This is kind of has a silver tone to it, and it's just going to add a little shimmer to the bag. Now we'll put the finishing touches on the coin purse, which is going to be the clasp and the closure. So what we do is I have rolled out 2 strips here, and they're about 1/4 of an inch wide, and I've also taken 2 little balls and formed this little teardrop shape here. And that's going to be the clasp to close. So to do this, I have some egg white that is like our glue, and I'm going to start on the bottom here with some egg white, and I'm going to just put the little strip on the bottom. And I like to use the little scissors here so that I'm not pushing down with my other cutting wheel. And we're just going to stick that in there. And using a little tool here, I have something that can make a little hole. Putting a little bit of the egg white on the tip of that teardrop shape. Some egg white. Poke another hole. A little bit of egg white. Okay, so once you've got the clasp to how you like it, then you're going to actually paint that clasp a gold color. And to do that, I've used some lemon extract and this old gold luster dust. And by just mixing it together, you can create a paint. And so we go ahead and very carefully, since you don't want to get it onto the bag, you paint the clasp.